Hi, my name is Ali Raza. I'm the founder and CEO of Max Dental Marketing, and today we are here again to share something really valuable for you. This is a question that we get asked all the time. Ali, should we outsource our marketing to an agency or should we do in-house? This video is all about these two questions. We will discuss pros and cons of doing dental digital marketing in-house and discussing its pros and cons. We will take a deep dive into both these areas. Why is dental digital marketing even important? The landscape right now of digital marketing is so aggressive that your dentistry cannot grow to the level that you would ideally want it to be. For example, if you just relying on a simple website and you are relying on word of mouth, you might be better off with maybe a few customers, a few new customers, a few new referrals every single month. But if you want to grow your dentistry, your dental practice aggressively, and if you have goals in mind, then there is no way that you can just ignore digital marketing altogether. First, we will discuss about the pros of having an in-house dental marketing team. The first one being, you will have direct control over your own team. Now, if you hire a team that is reporting to you or the dental practice owner, and if you have them sitting in your own office or even if they're working from home, they will be directly reporting to you, so you have control over that team. The second one being, there will be no communication delays. You can easily communicate with them any moment, whenever you want. You can call them in a meeting, you can discuss your marketing strategies and have them executing on those strategies in a matter of hours or maybe days. The other pro that you will observe is that your ideas will be rapidly executed. Why? Because your team is just focused on your dentistry. That team is not focused on any other work. So whenever you assign anything to them, the amount of time that that team will take in order to convert that idea into reality and then a campaign will be far lesser than what would have been in the other case of being it outsourced. The biggest con of having an in-house dental marketing team is it's really expensive. You got to pay a lot of money to these people that you're going to hire. And nowadays, because there is a shorter supply of having really good resources, you have to give them a big amount of money or monthly payroll and attract them, retain them, and constantly train them to make sure that they're the best at what they are doing. All of this is really time consuming. Whenever you're hiring people, it takes time for you to interview them, select the right person, make sure they're engaged in the right kinds of training. That training costs a lot of money and so on and so forth. So it's time consuming and it's really expensive. The other disadvantage or con that we observe in hiring an in-house team is when there's just one or maybe two or even three dental offices and you have a dedicated team, there is not enough work for the marketing team to stay occupied. And you will start observing that that team is not being utilized to their fullest, and then you will question on why you actually hired that team in the first place. Now let's discuss some of the pros of outsourcing your dental marketing to an agency that is focused on doing marketing for your dental practice. The biggest advantage that you will see when you outsource your dental marketing is it is cost effective. It is way more cost effective than having your own team in-house. You get access to a team that is highly skilled, that is highly updated, fully updated and trained according to the latest marketing strategies. By having an experienced team doing your dental practice marketing, you will get the advantage of treating patients in your chairs. You will get the advantage of developing and nurturing relationships with your patients. You don't have to worry about new patients coming in, how the campaign is doing, what money we are spending. All of this hassle is outsourced to a team who's really good at doing this. Now, let's talk about some of the cons of outsourcing your dental marketing to an agency. First off, you will have less control over day-to-day marketing executions. Communication challenges can occur with your agency, the one that you've hired, if you have not set the right expectations and you're not spending time with them on monthly performance calls. Selecting the right agency can be a difficult job. It can be time consuming because you got to evaluate, you got to select, you got to make sure that that agency is within your budget. And we highly recommend finding an agency that is just focused on the dental niche, just like Max Dental Marketing. Now, let's discuss an approach that has been tested and tried by a lot of dental practices, and that is the hybrid approach. The hybrid approach says that, for example, your dental team, your dental practice team can afford to hire maybe one or two people who are doing the job of video production, maybe taking some images, maybe taking some snaps of the patients and posting it on the social media platform. While doing this, you would be outsourcing the major part of doing ads, paid ads, SEO, website maintenance to a reputable agency. And this is the hybrid approach that is being used by a lot of dental practices that we know. So this is also something that you can keep in consideration, using a hybrid approach, doing some parts of the digital marketing by your own self while making sure that some of the parts that require more experience and expertise are being outsourced to a team that knows how to get new patient influx. That's it. At Max Dental Marketing, we have the ability to work alongside any dental practice in any area of the US while working hybrid or taking the entire responsibility of your dental marketing efforts. Hit like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for more information from our side. Thank you.